The Amazon Influencer Program. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's not dead. I'm here to tell you, if you're on the fence about doing it, start doing it. And especially if you're in the UK, you can do the Amazon Influencer Program with the shoppable videos in the US, and it's really, really simple. And there's going to be a couple of videos following this one, exactly how to do that, where to find your blue lock, how to approve or get the approval for your videos, which I've already done. And I've uploaded 10 videos now. I'm ready to sit down and really be consistent at this. And I'm already getting a few sales and a few results. So what does that mean? Proof of concept. There might be a few of you Amazon influencers that have been doing this for quite a while that are saying it's not quite the same as what it used to be. Well, it might not be the same. You might not be earning the thousands and thousands of dollars that you were earning. But for the new content creators, the people that are trying to get into this, even a slice of that might make a difference to you. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to motivate to get started, which we've already done, I hope. I'm going to show you a quick snippet of one of the videos I did to be approved, one of my 3. We're going to bring some later videos out to show you more in depth about what I did and how I did it to get that approval. But let's just have a little bit of an insight on why you should be doing the Amazon Influencer Program today, and why you should subscribe to this channel, join me on my journey so I can join you on your journey. So what is the Amazon Influencer Program shoppable videos? So when you are scrolling on Amazon, and particularly in Amazon USA, because this hasn't hit the UK market yet, or it did, they tested it and then they took it away, but that doesn't mean that it's not going to come back in the future. So let's be ready for that. But every time a customer browses through the images and the videos on the Amazon products, if they watch your video and your review, you will get a commission, and a commission amount varies based on the category, but it can go from anywhere from 1 upwards to 4, 5, 6%. Your commission comes in via your Amazon affiliate account. Again, we'll look into all of this in future videos, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So you can see on the Amazon product page, if you scroll down, this is on the .com page, and remember I'm in the UK. You can see these videos, and once you watch these videos, if you then make a purchase, the creator gets that commission. Easy, huh? Now yes, there's lots of idiosyncrasies with this, and there's good things and bad things, but I believe it to be truly passive content. I've done around 10 videos right now and the commission is trickling in. Yes, we're not going to be rich from it, but if I had 1,000 videos, we might get a few more than a few dollars. Well used, and I've used this actually daily. It comes with the extendable legs. The arms freely move out until the locked position, making sure your camera is super secure. So my video consisted of a simple format. It was faceless. It was just a descriptive video with nice, clear, high quality video, and it was approved in no time at all, which we'll deep dive in another video coming up. Results wise, here's just a quick image of my Amazon affiliate account, and you can see that there has been some sales and has been commission, which has already been paid for me. And as we're in that November, sort of December period, I'm sure this is going to increase. And as the videos that I produce increases, hopefully so will the commission. I think the hardest thing, or the thing that takes the most time when you are doing this from the UK to the USA, is to find equivalent products that you can purchase on the Amazon UK website, or products that you've already got around your home. Find that listing on the US site, because it's got to be the same or very similar product. Again, we'll go through this. If you've made it this far into the video, I just want to say I am at the start of my journey. I've just approved TikTok for the TikTok shop, the Amazon Influencer Program, and I have started monetizing some other YouTube channels, and the goal is to go full-time by next Christmas, because I love this, and so do you. I literally looked around the house for the products that I could find on the Amazon.com website. Here is an example. It was just a simple generic camera or phone tripod. I created a video which was just literally between 1 to 2 minutes, and I uploaded this to the Amazon.com Creator Hub page, and it was approved. I do have a few tips and tricks to be able to do this but that's going to be coming up in some later videos, so please keep an eye on the page for that. Let's create together, let's earn together, let's do what we can, let's build a community. I can't wait to bring you guys along for the ride, and I really want to know your experience with your affiliate marketing goals and your challenges that you've had. So please drop a comment below. And just to clarify again, I am not bringing any of you Amazon influencers down that are suffering with the lower commission rates and the views at the moment, but there are still gems out there to be had. And if you're at a different stage in your journey, you might have done this for 3 years, but I'm just starting out, I'm going to look at this as a fresh approach, because even if I can get up to the $100, $200, $300, $400 a month category, I'll be absolutely over the moon with that. And it will just be one of the revenue streams that I am building to create an incredible business in a market that I love. So happy creating. I'll see you soon.